Welcome to this everyday yoga stretch that will just be a great way to start your day. Come with an open heart, an open mind, and together let us do this. Welcome, my lovely lights, to Empath Mountain Yoga. And join me in a comfortable seat. Let your feet find that crisscross applesauce that works for you. Maybe try one foot in front of the other and let yourself settle. And join me with that nice inhale where the shoulders come up to the ears. Gather all that tension and that tightness that you've been holding, and exhale, melt it away. Bringing the hands on top of the legs to create a sense of grounding. Inhale, shoulders up towards the ears. Exhale, shoulders move down from the ears. And here, my lovely light, give yourself permission to journey with the shoulders coming up towards the ears, exhaling them away. Beautiful. Welcome the breath that feeds the body. And pause here and now, coming forward. And this might feel a little awkward. You might notice a little tension and tightness in the belly. Now with me, welcome a breath that comes in to a count of 3 as you inhale. 1, 2, 3. Exhale to 3. Inhale to 3. 1, 2, 3. Exhale to 3. Coming back to center. Exhale the right arm at a diagonal angle with the fingers pointed down, and the opposite arm, left arm, reaches up as the head tilts towards the left side. Helping hand on the side of the head. Big welcoming stretch that comes in and sending it away. Can you welcome that breath where you count into 3 and then send it away to 3? Beautiful. One more expansive breath rolls in through the nostrils and seeps out through a melted jaw. Wonderful. Gently exhaling that left hand on the head, bringing the body back to center, regrounding, stacking the head over the heart, over the hips. Left arm reaches at that diagonal angle with the fingers pointing down, my lovely light. And then this side arm reaches up over the side and the head tilts to the right. Welcome a beautiful breath in. And in the eye of your mind, can you think or speak with me? I am grateful to be alive. I am grateful to be alive, and smile. Because when you say a thought, you want to tap into how it feels. And being grateful to be alive is a beautiful thing for today. I am grateful to be alive. Wonderful. Coming back to center, lovely lights. Bringing those hands and interlacing them together, and start by welcoming a warm up of the wrists. And you can incorporate all the way into the elbows, into the shoulders, and smile with a big breath that comes in. Good. Send it away. Pause back at center, flipping the palms towards up towards the sky. Reach up, the biggest stretch you've taken. Integrate the sit bones to the belly, to the heart, to the chin, to the top of the head. Exhale, and then twist the body with me to the left. Big breath. If those hands being interlaced is bothering you, you can uninterlace them or give it a try. Welcome the breath that feeds the cells. Good. Now flip those palms back, forward, front to center. Reach up from the top. Stack head over heart, over hips. Big stretch, and then exhale. Twists to the opposite side. Big stretch comes on the right body. Sends it away. Beautiful. Welcome the breath in. Wonderful. Send it away. Hands reach back to center. Exhale, shaking out the wrists, rolling out the fingers, and meeting me in a tabletop. If you have harder floors, I recommend a blanket to be nice to your knees because guess what? Especially as women, we are always taking care of everyone else. This is your practice. So I got some earth on my mat, wipe it away. Exhale the body forward here for a tabletop position. Stacking the shoulders over wrists, tapping into your hips and the knees. Big round spine, bringing the chin in towards the tail. Big breath welcomes in and then sends it away as you take a cat pose, so arching through the spine, reaching the chin and the tail up. And flowing with that 3-count breath that welcomes in and then sends it away. Giving yourself permission here to feel any tension or tightness and use the breath to create a little bit of a release. Exhale it away. Good. Welcome the breath in and send it away. Beautiful. Exhaling the hands forward and bringing the weight back into the sit bones here for a happy puppy. So first variation, the arms extend long and kind of move yourself on your knees. And this might be all you have today. Maybe you can exhale the forearms and the elbows down. Maybe you can bring the forehead down towards the earth. Sinking the body weight back towards the heels. Welcome a breath in. Send it away. And if this is too much on the shoulders, you can alleviate some tension by coming up. If your body will allow you, try to deepen the stretch by sinking back into the sit bones. Welcoming the breath into the body and sending it away. Big stretch from the fingertips to the forearms, to the shoulders, to the back of the heart. Welcome an awareness into the finger pads, pressing through the fingers, transitioning, moving the body forward, and then bringing the weight forward. And so walk the hands so they stack back underneath of the shoulders. Hug through the belly for a kneeling plank. Big breath welcomes in. Good, send it away. And then exhale, come back just as you were in that happy puppy. And then inhale the body weight forward, hug through the belly and the pelvic wall. Good, send it back. And on this next one, hold here for 5, squeeze the bottom, 3, 2, 1. Squeeze the elbows together, float down to the belly for a modified chaturanga. Hands lengthen with the forearms in front of the body, walking the elbows in towards the rib cage for a sphinx pose. Legs, top of them, lengthen long while the toes come down. Inhale a breath for a lovely back bend. Open your heart. And just notice this might be really tense and tight. And if it is, it's okay. Know that you're not alone in however you're feeling. Welcome the breath in. Good, send it away. Hands come below the shoulders and then pushing the body up and back for a downward facing dog, pedaling out the heels. One heel reaches down towards the mat, opposite heel reaches down, pedaling out the heel. Left or right foot reaches down towards the earth. Left heel reaches back. Maybe it's just here for a 3-legged dog. Maybe you can go a little bit higher. And then inhale the knee that comes in towards the body. Allow that leg to cross over. Lengthen that leg long behind you. Check into your alignment of your toe and the hip. Bring the hand on the hip. Big breath welcomes in for half of a pigeon. And if you're like me and you find your bottom hit like really popping off of the earth, you can grab a block here, getting a nice little back bend, and then exhale, let the body fold forward. Inhale the breath that comes in, send it away, embracing whatever change is happening around you. It's starting to rain here. Big breath comes in, send it away. Awareness comes back into the hands, pushing the body back to that downward facing dog as you pedal out the heels, resetting yourself up. Opposite heel reaches up. And inhale, creating that transition as the knee moves its way in towards the body. Oh, we need to go the opposite way, Shelly, silly goose. You'll notice yourself sometimes, like me, always doing like the side that feels natural. So go to the opposite side. Heel tucks in, hind leg lengthens long. Give yourself that self check. You can put the block underneath of the bottom. Inhale the breath that comes up for that little back bend. Breathe the breath in. Good, send it away. Welcome the breath that feeds the cells. And then exhale, fold forward and rest and restore. And for this practice, my lovely light, know that throughout your day, there will be ebbs and flows, and there'll be busy, hard, challenging moments, and there'll be calm and peaceful ones. And I hope that you can just ride those ebbs and flows, welcome the breath in, and send it away. Cycle with that 3 count in. Good, send it away. Hands reach underneath of the body, and we will come onto the knees and meet in a hero's pose. You can grab your block here as we wind down this practice. It's getting chilly here. Bringing your hands to your heart, coming in for an inhale, and set an intention for yourself today. Whether it's just showing up, maybe it's to give yourself some love and compassion for whatever it is that you are experiencing. And knowing that you can do anything that you put your mind to. Beautiful. Bring those palms, kissing palms to the heart center. The love and the light within me honors and acknowledges the love and the light within you. Namaste, my lovely.